everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School. Today we are going to talk about Moral Values Chapter 2, and that is celebrating life. Life celebration is a very important part of our lives because if we do not celebrate our lives, living it to the fullest becomes very difficult. So that is what we are going to read in this chapter. Friends, you have ever thought about the journey of life in depth? Have you ever wondered after looking into the mirror, this is me? Have you ever asked why you are here? Have such questions ever crossed your mind? If yes, then you can include yourself in the list of those people who have genuinely lived their lives. It is very clearly saying that have you ever thought about the journey of life in depth or you have been just living into it? Okay. What is trying to ask is that have you ever thought about your existence? Why do you exist in the world? Why is that existence necessary? Uh, why are you here? What are you doing with your life? If you have ever asked these questions genuinely to yourself, देन यू हैव एक्चुअली लिव्ड योर लाइफ. अगर आपने ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कभी खुद से नहीं किए हैं तो आपने अपनी लाइफ को फुलेस्ट पे जिया ही नहीं है. अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपने खुद से किए हैं और फिर आपने उनके आंसर्स ढूंढने की कोशिश की, दैट मीन्स यू हैव एक्चुअली लिव्ड योर लाइफ. Walt Whitman, a famous American poet, celebrates the whole concept of life in detail in his poem Leaves of Grass. This shows how fond he was to live life to the fullest. The question, who am I, has vasted the destiny of many people and have granted them the title of great thinkers and philosophers. Not only this, it has also been one of the major reasons behind all great happenings and events. We are talking about Walt Whitman, who was a famous American poet. Okay, he celebrated the whole concept of in life in his poem Leaves of Grass. He has written one complete poem named Leaves of Grass on how he believed life should work or how life should go on according to him. This actually shows how fond he was to live life to the fullest. This shows how he was fond of his life, how he wanted to live his life to the fullest, enjoy each and every moment of his life. Next, the question, who am I? Or asking yourself, who are you? What are you trying to achieve in life? When you're asking these questions to yourself, that actually inculcates a thinking of doing something in your life. यही वो क्वेश्चन है या दिस इज द ओनली क्वेश्चन विच हैज एक्चुअली मेड many major happenings of the world. Many thinkers, many philosophers are today with the fame they are having just because they asked themselves that who are they and what are they doing with their life. Just because subah uthe, did something, went back to sleep, did not live their life. They wanted to do something. They asked themselves that why am I living this life? And that led to many great happenings and events in the world. The question arises the moment you shift your focus towards the deep feeling that you are here for some great cause, that you are here to create a purpose around yourself, that you are here to live, decorate, and celebrate. This question arises the very moment when you imagine yourself to be a very important creation of God. When you start believing that you are a very important creation of God and you have been sent to the world with a very much important objective, that is the moment when you think what am I doing in this life or who am I. जिस दिन आपको ये रियलाइज हो जाता है कि भगवान ने आपको बहुत एक इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ दुनिया में भेजा है और आपकी लाइफ के आप कोई बहुत बड़ा ग्रेट कॉज है, दैट इज व्हेन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग हु एम आई. और उस टाइम से ही आप ये सोचना शुरू कर देते हो कि एक्चुअल में आपको लाइफ में क्या करना है. Okay. And that is the moment when you start to create a purpose around yourself. You start on working some one fixed direction. You start working towards something in your life. That and that is the moment when you realize that you're in this world to live your life to the fullest. You're here to decorate. You're here to fill the world with many beautiful things, and you're here to celebrate what you have done. You're here to celebrate humankind, mankind, life, everything in this world is a very beautiful thing, and you start celebrating that thing, and that is the moment when you start living your life to the fullest. Close your eyes, relax yourself, and just think over the question, who am I really, for 2 minutes? That is what the writer is saying, that close your eyes. Just relax for a minute, just forget about everything else in the world and think for 5 minutes that who are you actually? That who am I really? What is my purpose of life? मुझे अगर लाइफ में कुछ करना है तो वो क्या करना है, मैं एक्चुअल में कौन हूँ? ये सारी चीजें जब आप सोचोगे तब you start understanding your purpose for life. The answer that you are the greatest possibility of the universe is so adventurous and beautiful that it will expose you to the unknown. This very feeling that you are the greatest possibility of the universe, कि you are the most important creation of the universe which has to fulfill a certain objective in life. The moment you think that, your life becomes very adventurous and very beautiful. You start taking life as a very important aspect. Okay, and it will expose you to the unknown, to those aspects of life which you have never experienced, which you have never seen. That is the time when you start living to the fullest. Friends, have you ever felt the fact that you're alive? Being alive does not only mean eating, drinking, playing, enjoying, and sleeping. A saying goes that we should not count how many moments are there in life. We should feel how much life is there in every moment. Okay, you're thinking that many of the time you are thinking that are you a living being or you're not a living being, which you learn in science many ways. But you are a living being because you're growing, you're eating, you're moving. Okay, you're growing, you're breathing, you're moving, everything you're doing. So that really makes you a living person. But does that really mean that you're alive? क्या वो एक्चुअल में ये मतलब होता है उसका कि आप अपनी लाइफ को सही तरीके से जी रहे हो? जिंदा होने का मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं होता है दैट यू आर ईटिंग, यू आर ड्रिंकिंग, यू आर प्लेइंग, यू आर एंजॉइंग एवरीथिंग, यू आर स्लीपिंग, यू आर वेकिंग अप, यू आर गोइंग टू स्कूल, यू आर डूइंग योर होमवर्क, यू आर गेटिंग वेरी गुड मार्क्स. Everything is happening, but does that only mean that you are alive? There's a very famous saying that says that you should not count how many moments are there in life. कि जिंदगी में कितने पल बचे हुए हैं वो नहीं देखना चाहिए. We should feel how much life is there in a moment. कि हर पल में कितनी जिंदगी है वो देखना चाहिए. How much can you give out of yourself to every moment of your life is actually what is important. We do not breathe air, actually we breathe life. हम एक्चुअल में हवा जो है उसकी सांस नहीं ले रहे, हम एक्चुअल में लाइफ की सांस ले रहे. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू फील इट to the core of your heart, to the bottom of your heart, that it is very important to live each and every moment. Try to capture as much life in your system as you can. Replace all impossibilities in life, the greatest possibility ever. The greatest possibility of this world is that you are alive. उससे बड़ा कोई पॉसिबिलिटी हो नहीं सकता है. तो जब इतनी बड़ी पॉसिबिलिटी आपके पास है, इतना बड़ा पॉजिटिविटी आपके पास है, तो why carry those impossibilities on your shoulders? Why carry the burden of those impossibilities? You need to understand कि जब आपका जीना पॉसिबल है, when you coming to the live world is possible, when you living is possible, everything else is possible. You can do everything else. Every other thing is possible in life because the greatest possibility is life which you have. Try to understand the real and genuine quality of life. Try to listen to the story that life narrates. Try to splash in the colors that life displays. Try to flow with the music that life plays. Try to realize the meaning that life whispers. Okay, these are the things which you need to do in your life in order to make yourself better and happy. Try to understand the real and genuine quality of life. Again, the same thing is coming कि सिर्फ सुबह उठ जाना, नहा धो के स्कूल आ जाना, स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर लेना, अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर कर लेना, क्लास में फर्स्ट आ जाना, घर जाके होमवर्क कर लेना, 1 घंटा खेल लेना और फिर सो जाना is not the only purpose of life. You need to actually see what is the genuine quality of life, what is basically you need to learn from life. Try to listen to the story that life narrates. Everything around you is trying to give you a story. Everything around you is trying to teach you something. Try to listen to that thing. When you will टेक योर लाइफ सीरियसली, एंड व्हेन यू टेक थिंग्स अराउंड योर लाइफ सीरियसली, तभी आप चीज़ों को सही से समझ पाओगे. Try to splash in the colors that life displays. Life is giving you happiness everywhere. Everywhere life is giving you happiness. It is only your responsibility to you that you take that happiness and bring it to yourself. दैट इज वॉट इट इज ट्राइंग टू से, कि हर तरफ आपको कलर्स ही कलर्स दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको वो सारे कलर्स लेने हैं और उनको अपनी लाइफ के अंदर डालना है. ट्राई टू फ्लो विद Try to flow with the music that life plays. Life is playing the music every time. It is only you who has to understand that it is doing so. You have to understand that life is doing so much for you, and you have to be grateful to that, and then only you can be happy in your life. Try to realize the meaning that life is for. Life is whispering, life will not shout. आपकी लाइफ की जो सीख है, या अगर आपने कुछ सीखा है, तो वो ऐसे नहीं होगा कि कोई आके आपके ऊपर चिल्ला के जाएगा. वो छोटा सा कोई इंसिडेंट होएगा जिससे आपको चीजें समझ में आनी होगी. अब आपको वो इंसिडेंट को समझना पड़ेगा उतना. यू हैव टू डू दैट, नोबडी एल्स कैन डू दैट फॉर यू. Soon you will come to know that you are celebrating yourself, and that you are the grand occasion in yourself. The moment you start doing all these things, you will realize that you are celebrating yourself only. आपके अंदर इतनी सारी खुशियां हैं, you are so filled with happiness that you are celebrating each and every moment. And the grand occasion, the occasion, the biggest happiness is within yourself only. You don't need to go out and seek it. In the last chapter also we read that happiness resides in oneself only. You do not need to find it outside. This is the same thing. Life, those occasions, those celebration, everything is inside yourself. What you need to do is you need to just go and find it and just celebrate it. This is not the final stage. This is also not the final stage. If you have all done all this, that does not mean that okay, you have lived your life to the fullest. One interesting and marvelous stage still waits ahead, and that is being one with others, which comprises loving and serving others with all your heart and soul. One of the most important and interesting and grand stages that, which is being one with others. आपको सबके साथ रहना होगा, सबके साथ चलना होगा, सबकी मदद करनी पड़ेगी. Your attitude should be same towards the rich as well as the poor. Your attitude towards somebody should not change irrespective of anything. किसी से आपका एटीट्यूड सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं चेंज होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो दिखने में या तो अलग है, या वो अमीर है या गरीब है, या उसका और आपका रिलीजन अलग अलग है. किसी से भी आपका एटीट्यूड जो है वो इस बेसिस पे चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. यू शुड बी गुड एंड हैप्पी एंड हेल्पफुल टू एंड काइंड टू एवरीबody, which comprises loving and serving others with all your heart and soul. If you're loving others, you're serving others, you should do with your heart and soul. Sirf दिखावे के लिए. What is happening nowadays is that you do one good thing and you post it on 10 different social medias. That is not helping others. अगर आप किसी की हेल्प कर रहे हो और फिर आपने उसको ये चीज़ का एहसास करा दिया, या आपने उसको ये चीज़ फील करा दी, किसी आई हैव हेल्प्ड यू and you have shown it to 10 other people, that is useless. You have actually insulted the person जिसकी आपने हेल्प करी. So what is important is that you should do all those things with your heart and soul, not for public acceptance. वो दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए या लोगों के सामने बढ़िया बनने के लिए या अच्छा बनने के लिए ये सारी चीजें आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. You are not asked to take the responsibility of the whole world, but only if you can generate a smile on someone's face, if you can lift someone's spirit to the skies, if you can share your blessings with someone, if you can provide your hands in service, if you can decorate someone's life with a flame of love, then be sure you have received the ultimate answer, and obviously you have found life. It is not your responsibility for the whole world. ऐसा आपसे कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है कि आपको पूरी दुनिया के खुश रखना है, या पूरी दुनिया के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना है. What is being asked to you कि if you are trying to make any one person happy, अगर आपने किसी एक इंसान को खुश कर दिया है या किसी एक इंसान के फेस पे आपकी वजह से स्माइल आ गई है, if only one person is smiling because of you, if you can lift only one person's spirits to the sky. Some person is there who's very depressed with life, who's very sad with life, who's not happy with is what is happening. If you have even helped that one person bring back to life, अगर आपने उस एक इंसान का कॉन्फिडेंस वापस बढ़ा दिया है, if whatever you have, all your blessing, if you're sharing with just one person who does not have it, if you can provide your hands in service, if you can help, if you can take some time out of your life and help others, if you can decorate someone's life with happiness, with the flame of love, if you can make somebody feel loved and somebody feel happy, just one person, then be sure that you have received the ultimate answer. That is the ultimate answer. It is not important that you do that for thousands or crores of people. If you have done that wholeheartedly, even for one person, if you have given that one person some things which that person did not have, it means you have done your part. You have found life. That is the moment where you have found life, where you have understood that everything which you need is have been accomplished. That was the chapter. The chapter clearly says that it is very important that we be helpful towards others. Finding only one's happiness is not enough. It is very important that we make others also happy. We make others feel blessed and everything. It's not important that you do that for a number of people. If you're doing that for only one person, it means it means that you have done it for a lot of people, and that is the way you can accomplish your life. Thank you. That was for chapter number 2.